Wasn't this working? Okay, hello everybody, my name is Fireball and today I'm gonna make a quick but very effective video for you guys. I'm gonna show you where the secret Mad City Easter egg is at. And I'm not gonna be like those other kids that just talk and talk all day long. Just like they say, oh look Mad City codes, then they play. It takes them 12 minutes to say one freaking code. That won't be me, and this music is so loud. Okay, so I'm in my beautiful prison yard. Oh, look, this one, my friend. Wet the bed from so long. You're my wetting the bed friend. Remember when you okay? I hate it. Oh, I almost reset myself there. Boom! I just gotta escape real quick. Okay, so I'm almost in. I'm almost out. This is so stressing. Not really. Time to do a bit of exercise real quick before I go up. Okay, now I'm done. Oh yeah. Wait, what? I'm almost at level 35? Okay, so now that's a reason to exercise. I almost started pickpocketing when I was supposed to exercise. Still exercise. Sorry guys. I'll just skip the whole thing while I exercise, okay guys? Sorry. Taking so long in exercise. Hey guys, I'm almost done. Just one more time. Boom. Okay, so I'm done. What will I get? Ooh. Just showing off to my friend because he's still here. And actually, we're having so much fun. Oh, now I have. I would have had 2 lockpicks, so if anyone needs a lockpick, I can just tell them where it is. Lead the way, bullseye. Okay, so I hear him coming, the freaking police officer. Why are they always coming for me? Like, of all the people they could go for, why me? Oh, this guy's talking about getting on the new fast thing. I don't know what that's all about. Okay, so I'm in. And boom. Great launch of thing, you guys. Really appreciate this launch off ramp because I can just go straight up. Okay, where's that? Where is that Easter egg now? And I don't want to spoil the Easter egg to any of you guys. Okay. So, I don't want to spoil it before I get there. And some of you guys might just watch the video and just stop watching this video when I actually get to the Easter egg. Which isn't so far out, I'm pretty sure. Yes, the volcano isn't so far. So, it's in the volcano, guys. Let's tell you that. Oh, I just want a whole lot. Oh, well, that was a quick and effective way to get here. I will soon use that thing, the oval thingy, on my car. Okay, guys, you just wait and see how beautiful my cars will be after this. And as you can see, I told you guys that I wouldn't be talking that much. I am talking, but that's because the way here is very long. But it is very, very long. They got rid of that sketch billboard. Yes. Rest in peace, little sketch face. Yes, guys. Okay, I'm a sketch fan. So what? Oof, I'm almost here, guys. I'm just gonna get to this tunnel real quick and then we're there. Okay. I forgot what I was even gonna say. It then takes out the wheels, but then it gets rid of them. And then it takes them out, and then it gets rid of them. And now I'm here, okay. Oh, goodness, no. Oh, good, because this isn't even the tunnel that I'm supposed to go to. It was another tunnel. It was the other side of this tunnel, if I must say. I'm pretty sure that I should be here by the time the cops will get over here. Oh my goodness. Where is that freaking tunnel? Where isn't the freaking tunnel here? Okay guys, I'm sorry for wasting your time. I love the simple. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. I almost died there. Okay, so this cruiser is pretty good. I mean, it's super good on the turns. I must admit that. Okay, so it's never been. Uh, it's never been the best vehicle when it comes to being silent. Okay. Okay, so guys, I might just have to skip it. Oh, oh goodness no. It's just bummer. Maybe the dead bike, I guess. Okay, so guys, I'm almost there. Ah! Okay, so here we are. Is this actually the sign? Okay, so. Okay, and here we are, guys. As you can see this little hole. Ah, quick before the superheroes catch up to me! Okay, I'm in here. And here we go. Let me just read this real quick. Congrats, you found the cookie. There's no admin, sorry, lol. Thanks for being such a dedicated player. Take a pic and tag to. Okay, that. And there's a secret, so shh. That's why I'm talking. Because if you guys didn't know, there used to be an admin cookie, and then they found out that it never existed. I'm just gonna take a picture, even though I already have two of these pictures. Okay, so there we go. Thank you for doing this very fun video with me. And I will see you guys later in the next future video that I will do. What I will do it about, maybe about Area 51, I'm pretty sure.